Welcome to Best Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता तुमी सगळीं बरीच आसतलीं म्हणून अँड देवाची कृपा तुमचेर सदांच आसूं. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता व्हेरी क्वीक केन्नाय फास्ट कितें करूंक जाय. सपोज तें जावन आसा आमचें चिकन विंग्स. सो चिकन विंग्स फ्राय जस्ट व्हेरी क्विकली आनी तेका लागून हे अर्दो किलो चिकन विंग्स. ओके, हे हांवें हें केलां. हे चिकन विंग्स आख्खी येतात. सो हे तेजे पार्ट, हेजे आमी लॉलीपॉपय करतात. सो हे चिकन विंग्स हाफ kg आनी आमचे हे दीस इज होम मेड आमचे टमॅटो केचप. सो तुमचे कडेन टायम ना करपाक जाल्यार रेसिपी पळयात तुमी, हांव लिंक घालतली रेसिपी हेची टमॅटो केचपाचे. पूण तुमचे कडेन ना जाल्यार यू कॅन यूज a normal tomato ketchup which is available in market. So you need tomato ketchup, half kg of chicken wings, then we need some red chili powder, and this is like spicy chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder, pepper powder crushed a little bit. This is optional. Parsley you can use it, and oregano. So these are the things which are optional, but it gives a nice taste. Salt and lime juice. So let's start. So we need salt for marinating this. Salt to taste. Always remember, salt is always according to your taste. Lime juice. It is yum with lime juice. So I'm taking just half of this, enough. And okay, now let's start making this quickly. As I said, we can make this quickly dish if your kids are hungry. Make it quickly. Taken 1 tablespoon of oil. It's hot, so let's leave this curry leaves in this. This is also optional, but it gives nice flavor. Then we'll add this tomato ketchup. Then we'll add our 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. So that's it. And we'll add our black pepper, crushed black pepper, very little. Then we'll add a little bit of oregano to this. Like 1 teaspoon only is enough. And we'll add parsley to this. Again 1 teaspoon. Now we'll mix this all nicely. In this, now we will add our chicken wings. And cook this for just 5 minutes and it will be done. High flame, low flame, how you want, but it gets cooked in 5 to 10 minutes. So what I'll do, I'll cover this for 5 minutes, and after that I will fry it for 12 minutes. Check the salt. We have already applied salt to wings, so you have to check. We don't need anything. Cover this. Medium flame. See, when I said homemade tomato ketchup, this is homemade tomato ketchup. Recipe please check. I will share it in this video's description box. कोणाक पळय टमॅटो केचप घरा करूंक जाय तांकां लागून हांव ही रेसिपी जावन आसा ती घालतली हेजेर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्सान पळोवन घेयात आनी मागीर तुमच्यान व्हेरी इजी टमॅटो केचप करपाक घरा. टमाटा जाय आनी थोडे मसाले जाय. Five minutes जाले. So let's now turn this आणि high flame करूया. When you give a cut for the wings, they cook nicely and quickly. मातशें तुमी कातरो मारून घेत न्हू चिकन विंग्सांचेर जाल्यार ते बरें लागता. पूण ही जावन आसा म्हाजी क्विक चिकन विंग्साची रेसिपी. मानता तुमकां बरी आवडटली आनी लागतली आनी म्हाका खावन मागीर सांगात तुमकां कशी लागली पळय ती. आनी आतां हे ट्रेंडान चलता आमचे चिकन विंग्स. चिकन विंग्स आर नाव इन ट्रेंड. I know many people in UK don't relish this chicken wings because I have been to UK and my in-laws also said, but when they had this, they said it was just wow and yum. So do try this. Even all my friends in UK, chicken wings are very delicious, and in India we all love this chicken wings because it's like tender and easy to eat also, and we just love it. So I will put off the gas now. My chicken wings are all cooked nicely. And if you still want to cook it more, then low flame, and you can cook this for instead I said 10 minutes, 5 minutes covering, 5 minutes in open pan, but you can just cook this for another 10 minutes if you want to do well done. You can grill this also in the oven on 180 degrees for 10 minutes. It will be done, but again it won't be juicy as it is now what you can see here. It's up to you, but how you want. So do enjoy. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तुमकां सगल्यांक आवडटलें म्हणून मानता. आनी हे डीश तुमकां बरें लागलें कशें लागलें तें म्हाका कमेंट बॉक्सान करात. इजी क्विक चिकन विंग्स आहा जाल्यार फास्ट जाता. आनी हांव म्हणटाली की UK चड लोकांक खबर ना चिकन विंग्सांचें आनी तांकां आवडना. पूण हें हांव नको कित्याक, पूण जेन्ना हांवें म्हाज्या गोवाचे फॅमिलीक जी आमची फॅमिली आसा UK तांकां करून घातलें तांकां एकदम बरें लागलें and they just relished it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching and keep commenting and share with me if you have any other recipe with chicken wings. Okay, I know there are lollipops, chicken lollipops and all that thing is there, but if you have anything else, please do share it on our comment box. Thank you. Dev bare karo.